Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download a TikTok video without watermark. So first of all, open up the TikTok app. Now once you're at TikTok, open up the video that you want to download. I will be going for this video right here. Now once you're at the video, click on the share button below it. And in here, click on share with here. And in here, click on copy link at the top. Now after the link has been copied, go back, open up Google. And in here type in snaptech.com snaptech.com without spaces and click on search. After that you will be at this website right here. Now in here just simply paste in the code that you just copied, and after that click on download. Now in here you have multiple options. You can download it in HD, for which you will have to see an ad. I will go for, let's say, the normal download. Just click on it. And after some time, your video will be downloaded. So let me just open it. Let me open up my gallery. So here I am in my gallery, and this is the video that we have downloaded and without any watermarks. So that is how you can download a video from TikTok.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download a TikTok video. So first of all, open up TikTok. Now once you're at TikTok, open up the video that you want to download. Now after you open up the video, click on this copy link button right here. Now after the link has been copied, open up a new tab, and in here type in snaptech.com without any spaces and click enter. Now once you're at the website, just simply paste in the copied code here, and in here click on download. Now after that, it will take you to this interface, and in here click on download. Now after that, select the location where you want to store it. I'll go for desktop, and in here click on save. And here, as you guys can see, the video has been downloaded. So I'm just going to play it now, minimize it, and as that video, just click on it. And here, as you guys can see, the video has been downloaded and without watermark. So that is how you can download videos from TikTok.